That I'm dangerous. I don't do well around new strangers. Feel that I'm making y'all anxious. Feel like a king, don't got patience. Feel like I'm taking respect. Feel like I'm banking the check. Don't just feel like a blade to the neck. I just gain the respect. Or the pain I inject in the lane I connect. Run around town like a villain. Switch flows every time that the wind blows. Got me feeling like a tempo. And again, no. Everybody asking how you been, no. Hold up, yeah, I'm fine. Body in a body bag, yeah, that's mine. I just died on myself and I cried on myself and I lied on myself. All these thoughts on this show. Got purpose. Ain't nobody gonna stop my purpose. Got purpose. Ain't nobody gonna stop my purpose. Thoughts in my mind as I fought to define what I'm taught to define as success. No, reach for the 9 and I'm blowing they mind. Got me taking what's mine, I confess.
I feel like I've been reaching for the stars. Keep my name about your mind, know who you are.